Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix not all RAM is usable on your PC. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go on search, look for system configuration here. Then on this new window here, you need to look for boot. Then you need to press advanced options and make sure this option is not selected. Up OK and OK. And then you need to restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, you need to write registry editor, right click on it, run as admin. And then you need to go to as you can see here, I will show step by step. You need to go to HKey local machine. Then you need to go to system. Then you need to go to current control set. Then you need to go to control. Then you need to go to a session manager. Session manager here. Then you need to look for memory management. And on memory management, you should see clear page file at shutdown. You need to right click on it, modify, and then you need to select valid data 1. And then restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press the like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.